Mercury is one of those elements that are very important for pigments identification, but just for one big important pigment, vermilion, mercury sulfide. Mercury 80. Up here we have the X lines, so of course we start with the L lines, L alpha, L beta and L gamma, which are the ones that actually we can see. Then there is also the M alpha, but it's generally so weak that we don't see it at all. In our pigment checker standard version we have vermilion. We have both the artificial and the natural form. The spectrum that we get show the L alpha, the L beta and the L gamma over here. And we see the counts is relatively intense, up to 9,000. We test our capacity to detect mercury on this painting, where the drapery of the angels over here show a little bit of intense red. Already from the colors is likely to be vermilion. Vermilion was widely used before the discovery of the cadmium red that replaced vermilion, because containing mercury was poisonous and so was first replaced by cadmium. We compare the vermilion from our pigments check, so just pure vermilion, and this is the spectrum from the red drapery of the angel over here. This is the typical situation, typical spectrum that we are going to get on this kind of paintings. So we see the 2 L alpha and L beta of mercury. Also we see here the L gamma, and this one and this other peak are from lead. The lead that will be present as lead white in the ground, in preparation, mixed with the other pigments and this layering. So generally we see these 4 peaks basically, because there is a lot of lead always associated with the ground preparation and so on.